wait until you guys see the new rods right here. Okay, these are my new babies, the KastKing bass rods have finally been released, guys, and this is what they look like. I've got the swim bait right here, the 7.6, and then this jig and worm. Right now I've just got like weightless hooks on both of them. I'm gonna try to throw a frog on the swim bait and a fluke on this one, maybe, or maybe like a jerk bait later. But we'll just see what works. I'm really excited because I've never caught a snakehead before, guys. I think I'm gonna start out throwing the Zoom horny toad, the June bug color, because the water is pretty dark and stained. So we got a frog on this rod, the swim bait rod. It's also like perfect for frogs too. We got all kinds of frogs that we're gonna try out if that Zoom doesn't work out. So definitely want to get some topwater action today. Let's pick out a fluke like this. That'll be good. But I'm so excited, whether I catch a snakehead or not, just to be able to catch a bass on these new bass rods. It's gonna be awesome. They're so light, so sensitive. So I will leave a link in the description if you guys want to check out these rods. These are brand new, came out this 2018, and they are just, KastKing is just stepping it up, their rods. First, try casting around with the frog, because I would love to get some frog bites. That'd be so cool. Oh, what was that? Oh, just a little largemouth. There you are. Where are the snakeheads? They've been eating you all? Small fish. Alright guys, we fished that spot with the frog and got nothing, didn't see anything except for gar. I'm gonna try one last spot. Hopefully we can catch a snakehead or at least just a nice bass or something. We got like 30 minutes daylight left, so hopefully we don't get rained out. It's raining kind of bad right now. But maybe that'll set that topwater bite off. So. Oh, there he is. Little guy. Little Archie. That's not the big one that I lost, I'll tell you that much. Oh, he's got it again. Oh, no way. Oh. Keeps wailing it. I don't know what it is. Getting all these followers from the other side and they're just like smacking it in the middle. Ooh, took that one pretty good. Someone's skirting. It's a nice little bass. Alright. You're on a roll, guys. This pond is kind of on fire for largies. One more. We gotta get one more topwater bite, guys. One more good one. There's a one more little guy on the frog. Crap, hooked him in the tongue. Sorry about that, buddy. I think I'm gonna call it quits, guys. Sorry, it's getting dark on me. Sorry I couldn't show you a monster today. I just wanted to show you how cool these rods are, though. You should definitely check these out if you guys want to get a pair or a whole lineup of these new Speed Demon rods, because they are so sick. I mean, the swim bait is obviously a heavier rod, so I could just rip these fish out. As you guys saw, I was just setting a hook on them, they were flying out. So that's pretty cool, shows how powerful the rod is. And make sure to subscribe, guys. I'm gonna have some awesome videos coming out soon, and this channel is just gonna keep on growing, so I really appreciate all the support. And hopefully as the summer rolls in, we're gonna start seeing a lot bigger fish. That's the goal. So stay tuned, guys.